So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. Plus, we would like to make one of the announcement since most of you are already looking for the real-time projects based training. So let me share those details. So we are going to start a new batch on Selenium with Java, and it would cover UI automation plus API automation, and it would be starting from 8th of December 2025 itself, that is from Monday, and the timings would be of the morning 9 a.m. IST to 10 a.m. IST. So if you are from US or if you're from UK, so definitely this time would suit you. And we are going to cover the real-time project end-to-end Selenium with Java, UI automation, API automation, Java from basics to advanced interview focused things would be covered, Git and the real-time workflow would be covered. We'll be connecting for 50 plus sessions, and you would be given the assistance with respect to the jobs, mock interviews, ATS friendly resume template, interview questions and answers, and we have EMI option also available. So if you are looking for the details, you can just drop an email to us at this particular email address. Now let's look at the job opportunities. So App Inventive is looking for QA freshers, and they are looking for someone who can join them for the location of Noida. And you should be passionate and you should be curious about AI-driven QA tools. So using AI, you have to do this particular testing. Then CloudEagle.ai is hiring for QA engineers 2 to 5 years. The role is QA engineer and it is remote. Experience is 2 to 5 years, as you can see. And you can shoot your resume to this particular email address. Your responsibility would be to review the requirements, design documentations and test procedures, write and execute test cases with strong coverage, perform functional regression and cross-browser testing. So all these things you are supposed to do. Then there's a requirement for QA again for the number of years of experience is 3 to 5 years of experience plus 1 year in automation. So this is the name of the company and this is the email address wherein you can apply. And it's the role involves both manual as well as automation testing, test planning, defect management, close collaboration with the cross-functional teams. Zensar is also hiring for QA automation manual professionals. Location is Bangalore, Pune. Experience is 5 to 10 years. Notice period would be 0 to 15 days. So the banded skill set that they are looking is for automation with C Sharp, Java, Selenium, or manual QA with banking and payment domain. So if you're interested, you can share your updated profile to this email address. Then there is a requirement for the QA professionals, the QA engineer, the senior software engineer and software test engineer 2, software test engineer, mobile automation, web API automation. Required experience is 7 plus years, 6 plus years, 2 to 4 years, 4 plus years. So various requirements are there and all these links. So what I'll do is I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video itself. Then there's a requirement for QA engineers, 1 to 3 years of experience. And again, they are looking for someone who has got strong understanding of SDLC, STLC, skilled in test planning, test execution, and writing detailed test cases, solid experience in test reporting and ensuring coverage. So you can share your profile to this particular email address. Then this is a DevOps engineer requirement. And if you're interested about automation, CI/CD, cloud, you can enroll over here. So role is of DevOps engineer. Location is Mumbai and Bangalore. Notice period is again 30 days. Experience is 3 to 6 years. Then there's a requirement for the position of automation test engineer, Java, Selenium, BDD, Cucumber, automation testing, and the timings is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And this is a walk-in drive for 6th of December. So you can apply over here. Plus experience required is 4.5 to 10 years. 4 days it would be office and 1 day it would be work from home. It's a hybrid work culture here. Okay. So then there's a requirement for a QA role, which is again a remote role. So Gamma Stack is looking for a talented QA with strong testing expertise across the web and the mobile applications. So you can apply over here. Someone who is familiar with the e-commerce applications, has strong skills in API testing, mobile app and web testing. So you can apply for this particular position. So here is the form that you need to fill up. Then Sprybit is also hiring for various positions: .NET developer, recruitment executive, HR executive, QA automation engineer, remote QA manual, Shopify app developer, and the location is Prahlad Nagar, Ahmedabad. It's a work from office role, but for QA automation engineer, it's a remote role. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. Okay. So there are multiple positions for QA. Let me also share some more positions with you. Yeah. So senior QA position with the Metasoft company. So this is company which is hiring for senior QA, and the experience required is 4 to 8 years. So you can apply for this position as well, right? This is with respect to Ahmedabad, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.